Bottlenose. Bottlenose? Bottlenose dolphin. Did you know? Bottlenose dolphins are among the smartest animals on Earth. They can recognize themselves in a mirror and even have unique signature whistles, almost like their own names. Spinner dolphin. Spinner dolphin? Spinner dolphin? Did you know? Spinner dolphins can spin up to 5 times in a single jump. They often leap and spin together in groups, creating an amazing show above the ocean. T. Striped dolphin. Striped dolphin? Striped dolphin. Did you know? Every striped dolphin has a unique stripe pattern. These fast swimmers can reach speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. They often travel in large pods with hundreds of dolphins. Spotted dolphin. Spotted dolphin? Spotted dolphin. Did you know? Spotted dolphins are born without spots. As they grow older, more spots appear across their bodies, making every adult look unique. They are playful and love surfing in the waves created by boats. White-beaked Dolphin. White-beaked dolphin. Did you know? White-beaked dolphins live in the cold North Atlantic Ocean. They are playful animals and often swim alongside boats. They usually hunt fish together as a team. Rough-toothed dolphin. Rough-toothed dolphin? Rough-toothed dolphin. Did you know? Rough-toothed dolphins get their name from the tiny ridges on their teeth. They can dive hundreds of meters underwater to catch fish and squid. They are also known for staying close together in small family groups. Comment your favorite dolphins, and they might be in the next video.